Here we are in the lovely Florida Keys, Key Largo. There's the ocean. Now we pan around and we'll look at some tropical custom railings that I made, and then there are some copper sconces I made. And inside here we will see a stamped cementuous vertical stamping, and a lot of this detail of the coloring is achieved by means of airbrush, and that's what gets the colors. Here we have a concrete top that I made, that I inlaid both coral, and also I have inlays in epoxy in recesses. There's a starfish, and back here is there's a shell, and again this is cast in epoxy into a recess in the table. And here's some more of the vertical tropical stampings, and very effective in regards to the coloring achieved by the using an airbrush with powdered dyes in a fast drying medium. And over here, this is a concrete table, and I actually made this one. There is a few inlays, and I actually made this so that there is a movable, slidable unit, so you can move your food back and forth. And we have a custom bar with shell inlays and coral, and back around we have the vertical stamped, and here are some carved rock steps that lead into a room here. And this is actually an epoxy floor that has powdered metallics in it, and this happens to actually be another a table that was made that has the metallics in it, and there's inlaid geodes in this piece, and there's also, if I can get to the button over here, there are LED lights behind, which adds for an interesting effect at night. And here's another piece, again with the metallics in epoxy, and here we have inlaid sliced seashells, and there are also LED lights behind that with colored glass. As you can see, there's the shells, and we step back. And then in the bathroom we have a concrete countertop, and it has a custom shell sink, and also has inlays of sliced shells with glass embedded, and light sconces have the shells to dim the lights. And over here we have a shower with a lot of shells inlaid, as well as a lot of texture going on in regards to moving the epoxies around, the metallics. And if you dim the lights and turn on this, these are again LED backlit, and these are shells with sliced shells with glass in them. And that's our little new addition here.